Hello everyone, hola amigos, ni hao dajer. Welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new here, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. Like this video, comment below and share it with your friends. Today let's talk about the American lottery, the American Diversity Lottery. It's just not like any betting lottery, but it's a lottery which can help you to become an American. Most people don't know that American even got this program for any country to apply for this program. Actually, it's not other countries that qualifies to apply for this program. Some countries like people from Jamaica, from China, from Brazil even don't qualify. But most of the countries really do qualify. So today, let's talk about this program. Let me give you all the details you need, and let me teach you the step-by-step how to apply for this American Diversity Lottery. And this program always comes on every year from October to November. So if you haven't been able to apply for it this year, next year probably you can apply for it, and you can apply for it every year and every year until you win. This program, you don't pay any money. So if anyone tells you to pay any money for this program, the person is definitely cheating you. You don't need to pay for any money. All that you need is your information and your passport picture. And I would definitely advise you to apply for the program yourself if you don't trust the person who's going to apply for you. Most people in African countries, when somebody apply it for you and when you wins, sometimes the person want to sell it, just sell it so that the person can get money from it. Sometimes the person want to add his or her like relatives to your application, and that can lead to being disqualified or not winning, like not getting your visa to America. So I will advise you, it's not difficult. I will add the website. You can just follow the instructions, and you can apply for it yourself. Don't ask anyone to do it for you, unless you do trust the person, or the person is really legit. But this is easy. You just need your laptop, and that is all, and your information, and apply for it. So as I said earlier, if you don't qualify and your spouse or your boyfriend or girlfriend qualifies, you can just attach yourself to the program. And when you are applying for this, if you have any case, those you have adopted them, those like you are taking care of them, you can attach them to it. If you have the document to support, when you win the lottery, then they can go with you. Make sure I will show the video, the step by step, for you to be able to apply for the diversity lottery. So stay tuned and watch this video, and let's follow the steps and apply for it. Every year, as I said, you can apply for it, so don't forget to apply for it every year. You are not paying anything, although it's going to take a year for you to win the program, either being qualified, either being selected or not selected. But it doesn't matter, since you are not paying anything and it takes like maybe 10 minutes or so. You can do that, and then just wait for it. If you are being selected, then it's okay. If you are not being selected, you do it next year, the next year to come and next year to come. Definitely there will be a chance for you to win this. So stay tuned, and let's follow the step by step for the application. Yeah, guys, so this is the official website for the DV program, the electronic diversity lottery program. And let me tell you one thing, they have only one official website. So if anyone tells you that what do you call it, they have different websites and you have to pay any money, that that is a scam. They don't pay any money for that. And for this year, the entry started from 5th of October and is going to end on November 8th. So if you haven't done it yet, then you can do it. It's free, even though it's not 100% guaranteed that you're going to be selected, but you can give it a try. Since you are not paying anything, and if you are selected, then that is all. That is a chance, and that is a breakthrough. So they have the entry instructions here. So DV 2022 instructions. If you want to check it out, it's okay. so you can read and understand everything. And they have the photo examples also here. You can check the photo examples. And don't use your previous photo, like at least use a photo that is you took it like within 6 months, you know, like recently. And they have the entry form, so begin the entry. And to check the status is for those who applied it last year, and they can check it this year. And if you are applying it this year, that means you can check it also next year, right? So without wasting my time, let's go begin the entry. And you know, so you put the code EUIU, right? Then we go. So that is it. So when it comes here, this is the part 1 information you have to put. So your last or family your family name, your first name or middle name, you know. So let me put it like mine, ANDREWS, Andrews. And sorry, Jeffrey, yeah. So if you don't have any middle name, you can just put it here, no middle name, right? And then you select your gender, your date of birth. So let's go like maybe 70455. Yeah, sure. And like birth city, right? So I put my birth city. And your country. You have to select where you were born, okay, or the passport, the country passport you are using. So for here, like Chinese people, Jamaicans, and some countries cannot apply for it, right? So if you're a Chinese national and you have like a dual citizen and you have a second passport from like St. Kitts or from other countries, like you can use it to apply for it, you know. So you don't, it doesn't mean for you to use like the other passport. So you can use the other passport you are holding to apply for it, okay? And then we go to the what they call the entry photograph, you know. So for this one, as I said earlier, use a current what do you call it, photo. And you know, when you put a photo here and you fill in the information and it's not okay, it will tell you to change it. So make sure like you get the correct size and the format they want you to put in. And then you come and put like your mailing address, put where you are currently staying, you know. So if you're in China, select China and put your address. If you are in Benin, Belgium, then put the address there, okay? And country where you live, so you put the country where you live, right? Okay, so that is for the two. And your phone number, your email address. Make sure that your email address is safe and it's your own email address, okay? And your highest level of education. So you can put like primary school, high school, any like vocational school or some university courses or whatever you have, then you put it here. But here it's stated that you must have a minimum of high school diploma reflecting the completion of full courses of study, you know. So at least have a high school what do you call it, diploma. So but I guess if you don't have yeah, also here at least 2 years of training or experience. So you have 2 years of experience for doing something like skill work in any occupation is also fine. And if you are married and your spouse is not a US citizen, then you have to you know, check the second one, that your spouse is not a US citizen. And for here, my advice is that even if you are going to get married in a couple of months or before the program, the program will be successful, the program will come out, you can put your spouse name here. And if you have any kids or you have adopted any kid, you can also add that child name here, you know, so that whenever you win the lottery, those people can go along with you to the United States. So it's very simple. It's going to take you less than like 30 minutes to get it done. The most important here is the picture. So get the picture, correct format and everything, and do it yourself. I will definitely advise you to do it yourself. It's not very hard because When you do it, you have the experience, and when you do it yourself, when you go to the interview, you have like you know everything. Mostly, it's safer to do it because when you win, other people might sell it for you to buy it, or they might add like their relatives or something like that. So when you apply for it and you win, it's very good, you know. So that is all for today. Let me know if you apply for it. You can comment below. If you are going to apply for it, you can comment below and check if your country also qualifies and everything. Wish you guys all the best, hoping that you will win this lottery and you can join like those in America. All the best. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Zai Jen.